Hey babes, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I am going to be doing a haul slash try on slash something crazy. For today's video, I did a haul from BH Cosmetics, and I bought some things that I've been wanting for a while, and I'm super excited to show you guys what I got. So I'm going to just tell you what I got, and then on the rest of the video I'm going to be trying some of those items so you guys can see how they perform, etc, etc, etc. The first item that I want to show you guys is the Ultimate Matte Palette, the 42 color eyeshadow palette. This is like bigger than my head. I was really excited to get this, and I got it on sale for $14. When I saw it, I was like, oh my god, I have to get this, and I had to pay $40 to get free shipping. That's why I bought everything else. And let me show you guys colors. Like, it's a little bit, it's not that easy to open, which I like because it, like, maybe for travel or something, it doesn't like break easily or anything like that. And these are the colors right here. I bet most of you guys have seen this eyeshadow palette. I'm really happy how the eyeshadows perform. I ended up with this look. At first I was using this purple and this shade right here, and I don't know what was it, maybe because I was using one of the other items that I got was the waterproof primer. I don't know if maybe it was primer, those two shades, I don't know, they look a little bit like so I just took it off and I did this, and I ended up doing this look, and I love it much better. And I'm just going to be showing which of the items, and at the end of the video I will be telling you guys my final thoughts of each and every one of those. The other item that I'm going to be showing you guys is the base booster and the Pro Studio waterproof eye primer. This is the primer that I was talking about. I don't know if it was the primer or maybe because I applied white eyeshadow before the other eyeshadows, and maybe that was a little bit of a problem. I am going to be using this out of camera, and I will be letting you guys know maybe on my next video if I really do like the eye primer or not. This tube is small. I bet like if I do lots of videos, if I like it, I may have to repurchase it. But this one, I will be telling you guys at the end, so you guys watch the full video and see what I think about this base booster. It's actually a glitter and shadow glue, and you guys will see what I do with it on the video, and you will be like, oh my god. So the next item that I want to show you guys is the backlight highlighter palette, the 6 color palette. It's been a while since I wanted this, and I finally got it. And these are the shades right here. I use this shade, and this shade right here, and I like it. It looks really soft. It doesn't look like chunky highlighter. It's a really soft highlighter in general. The other item that I got is the Studio Pro Beauty Sponge. I didn't use it for this video. Maybe I'll use it on my next video because I already have like this sponge. I'm using it and it's new, so why would I use this sponge? I don't know. The other thing that I got is the Royal Affair 10-piece metallized brush set. I'm going to be showing you guys the brushes. This is the powder brush you guys see right here. This is the flat top brush. This is the number 3. This is the number 2. It's the contour brush. This is the number 4, and this is the blush brush. And for the eye brushes, it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 eye brushes. This one is not the number 7. This one is the number 9. This one is the number 8. This one is the number 6. This one is the number 10, and this one is the number 5. I did use these 2 brushes, and I will let you guys know if I like them or not at the end of the video. I just wanted to show you guys each and every one of the brushes. I am going to be putting these brushes with my other ones. I don't know if the face ones will fit where I have all my brushes. I'll have to manage that. And also I got the Moroccan Sunset 16 color eyeshadow palette, but I got it for free actually, and that was because on the sale, if you paid $30 or more, you were going to get this little palette for free, and these are the colors right there. I really want to use this as for like a smoky bronzy smoky eye situation. I'm really intrigued with this shade right here. I really love oranges, and this eyeshadow palette is really sunset vibes. It really goes with the name. The name goes with it. I will be using this in another video. Maybe my next video will be me trying this, and I think actually this $12 is the original price, which is not bad though, because it's small and it's really compact, and I can take this anywhere because of how small it is. I wanted to let you guys know, like, because I bought all of those things, and I know this is just a like, what is it? Remember, like the little thing that protects the makeup, but it's actually, I can use it actually as a bag. It closes and everything, so I'm definitely going to be keeping this later. Anyways, guys, I know it's been 8 minutes me talking straight. Now let's get into the tutorial try-on situation, and at the end I will be telling you guys what I think about all the products that I used in this video. Okay guys, first of all, I'm going to be talking to you guys about the eyeshadow palette. As you guys saw, the eyeshadow palette blended beautifully. I really like how the base booster helped the yellow and the blue that I used in the middle. I really in love with it, and I'm definitely going to be using this for more looks with pops of colors like this. I'm really in love with the colors that I use. I'm really happy with the eyeshadow palettes. I will have to use the rest of the shades. They're 42, so I think I'm good. Out of that eyeshadow palette, I can do endless makeup looks. That's why I got it, because I needed colorful eyeshadow palettes. Because if you guys saw the video I did with my best friend Jesse, I destroyed literally the eyeshadow palettes that I had that are colorful, that were colorful. So I definitely had to get a new one, and I'm really happy with the eyeshadow palette. Now for the highlighter palette, I like it. It's really like, maybe when I take the pictures and everything, it will look a lot better, or like a lot brighter and stuff. But like right now, the lighting, how it's entering the house, it's not really helping me, and I look like I have a white flash on my face, and I have like pink flash on my inner corners. But when I take the pictures and everything, if you guys don't follow me on Instagram, my username is katgigimakeup, and you guys will see some pictures of the look on my Instagram if you guys want to see a little bit more detailed pictures of this look. Now for the brushes, the face brushes are really soft. I definitely would like for you to try them. I only paid $10 for the set because of the sale, and I think it's a really good sale because it's 10 pieces, like literally $1 per brush. And I really enjoyed the face brushes. They are really soft, and they apply my makeup beautifully. The only thing that I'm going to be saying is that the flat top brush, like I'm not really good with applying foundation with brushes, so I think I will be using that brush to help blending my primer or something else, not for foundation, because sometimes I'm a little bit dry on the dry side, and it doesn't matter how much setting spray and I'll get like little patches all over my face. So the brush doesn't help at all. So maybe I'll use that brush for primer, etc. And the eye brushes that I use, I really like them. They help blend my eyeshadow beautifully, and I'll definitely tell you guys just to get the whole set, and it's a really beautiful set. The primer, I didn't not like it, which is the bummer, but I am going to be trying it again and see how it works, but with other eyeshadow palettes. Like I don't have to use it with that palette. And literally, like for primer today, I use the NYX HD Studio Photogenic concealer, and as in for the Moroccan Sunset, I will be trying this little eyeshadow palette maybe for the next video. I think I will be like, my next video will be doing like a review on that. And I definitely like each and every one of the products except for the primer. I will be, like I said, I will be trying it again on another occasion. So yeah, if you guys like this video, please don't forget to subscribe, like it, comment down below what other look, like what other colors do you want me to use from this eyeshadow palette. It's huge. I don't know how I'm going to be placing it on my eyeshadow collection, but I have to make some space for it because it's pretty big. It's literally one of the biggest eyeshadow palettes that I have. The other biggest one is the Jagged and Hill one, and the other the Morphe 35, I don't know, something that I have, whatever. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope to see you guys on my next one. Bye.